Yes, profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, this is basically the account of the firm. Particular amount, particular. Okay, and you have to write this like this: for the year ended, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March, whatever will be the year. Okay, so this is the account of firm account. Okay, the firm is going to what? The firm is going to record all the uh, things that are related with the partners. Okay, see, in plus one what we have done, there were three accounts that were prepared as financial accounts. Okay, the three accounts were trading, P&L, and balance sheet. Okay, so this is assumed that in partnership also we prepare trading count, P&L, and balance sheet. And after preparing P&L, you must remember that from trading we get gross profit, and from P&L we get net profit. Okay, so the net profit that we have got, that is going to be distributed in between the partners in partnership firm. Okay, so when we are going to distributing the profit to the partners, then we are also going to charge some of the things, okay, that are required. So see what we are going to do in this account. So on this side you don't need to write. On this side we are going to um write the profits of the firm. Okay, the things that the company is getting, the profit and the expenses of the firm. Okay, so with the transactions you would get more clear with that. So the question will start from the net profit that will be given in the sum. Okay, the net profit that we have got from here. Okay, so this is the net profit. Okay, then what are the items that we are going to charge in that? First is, see, the expenses. The expenses are what? The expenses in this account is related to the partners. Okay, you have to pay salary to the partner. Okay, whatever you have to pay from this net profit. Okay, first you pay that and then distribute the amount to the partners. Okay, so salary, for example, we are having two partners, so I am paying salary to A and to B, and then I am writing it here, the total one. Okay, then interest on capital, it is also the expense of the firm. Why it is the expense of firm? Because if partners are contributing the capitals to your firm, okay, to if the partners are contributing capital to your business. Okay, see, there is one partner that is contributing some of the amount on 1st April, then there is another partner that is contributing on 1st October. Then you have to do what? If they're contributing more and more, then the company has to pay some of the interest to that capital. Okay, so this is the expense to the firm. Okay, so if A and B both are doing, then they will be written interest on capital of both of the partners. Okay, so this uh, other than that, if any of the commission is going to be paid to the partner. Okay, if any remuneration is going to be paid, so all of the expenses or all of the things that are going to be paid to the partners will be written on this. Okay, remuneration of partners. Okay, or they also can say that if you have to make some reserve from the net profit. Okay, see what we are doing, we are saving some money for the future, so they will be written as in the sum that 10% of the net profit is going to kept as a reserve. Then you have to keep 10% or whatever will be the percentage in that. Okay, so these are probably only these of the expenses would be there in the sums. And here what firm will get from the person? Interest on drawing. Okay, so if they are when they are contributing capital, then we are paying them interest, but when they are uh, drawing their money again and again from your firm, then you are charging interest from them. Okay, so what will happen? The interest on drawing will come this side, that would be income from the firm. Okay, so what you have to done is add all these items. Okay, for example, it came like 10,000. Okay, and then add all these items. Okay, see, it is like 8,000. Okay, so what we have done, we have to write the greater one here. So the net profit would be 2,000, and this 2,000 has to be distributed among the partners in profit sharing ratio that would be given in your sum. Okay, now I'm going to discuss a sum with you related